Yo, what's up, family? What's up, friends? OG Larry back at you, G Trades TV. This is not financial advice, but this might be some information that can help you change your life. If not change life, maybe help change your financial situation. I got ticker symbol up for you. NFLX, Netflix. Netflix is at a very attractive price, in my opinion. I got it boxed out right here to where it has come all the way down to $88. I put a video out 6 weeks ago, and it was up here in the $96 range before it got beat down even further. So, in my opinion, if it can get out of this box and get back over $93, we can head back to that $100 range and above. So, what's going on with Netflix? Netflix, like I said, it was $96 back in December, and now it's down to 88. And the drop is more due to the uncertainty surrounding the stock because it has this deal in pending with Warner Brothers, and if this Warner Brothers deal can ever get off the table or gets finalized or whatever, then Netflix can start its journey back up, especially if they secure the deal. So they have 8% pre-earners discount from just the $96 where it was at 6 weeks ago. And the elephant in the room is that the limbo of this deal, once this deal gets done with Warner Brothers, they have the studios, HBO, DC Universe for 83 billion, and the Paramount Skydance has lost a hostile takeover for the bid. So they're challenging. Paramount is challenging Netflix to get Warner Brothers, so they don't want to see Netflix get Warner Brothers. So there's uncertainty. Who knows who's going to win the deal, whatever. But the opportunity still is there because the Netflix Warner Brothers could Netflix the deepest content library in history with things like Game of Thrones, Harry Potter, and DC Comics. So you want to look out for that if Netflix can secure this deal, and if Paramount in their interference run, then it might happen. So you have to keep a watch on these on the three things because they got the Stranger Things effect and Christmas Day games and the Jake Paul and Joshua fight that drove massive engagement in quarter 4, which has potential earnings looking good. They expect a revenue around $11.97 and that's 17 $11.97 billion and 17% year over year. Let me get that straight. Not $11.97, 11.97 billion year over year, a 17% increase. So EPS expected around 55 cents per share pro split. So if you add tier momentum, and that's what investors see, if the ad supported tier is finally contributing to a significant chunk of the bottom line. So the bull case for the long term is that at $88, this stock is testing a major support level. And if they beat earnings and provide clarity on this Warner Brothers Paramount legal battle, then we can see that move back to 100 quicker than you might think. So just be prepared and not surprised, because if you're thinking about playing earnings, that's going to be a gamble. But if you wait until after earnings and see the move, if Netflix can get over 93 and continue up, then we can see $100 again real soon. So be aware and don't be surprised. So uh, I don't have a whole lot more to add. If you can check out the last video where a little bit more information on Netflix. So is this a buy the dip time for me? For myself personally, yeah, I can't tell you what to buy, hold, or sell, but Netflix at $88 to me is a pretty good deal. So I just want to put this on your radar. You guys check it out, do your own due diligence, and if you find value in this video, hit that like, hit that subscribe, help me get this video to 500 likes. And with that, I'm gonna see you in the next one. Peace.